More news coming in again from Karnataka, where Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge has taken a jibe at the Prime Minister's Dwarka Darshan. Okay, this is the President of the Congress Party, Mallikarjun Kharge, claiming that the Prime Minister is going against rules of nature. AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge said, if you don't know if peacock feather naturally grows there or not, according to rules of nature, they might grow the feather inside. I believe we must all behave according to rules of nature and not go against it. Nobody will get any success. This is Buddha's ideology, says Mallikarjun Kharge.
ನವಿಲುಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಬೆಳೀತದೋ ಏನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಸರ್ಗದ ನಿಯಮದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅದರ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತದೋ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ನಾನು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಸರ್ಗದ ನಿಯಮದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕೇ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ನಿಸರ್ಗದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಬುದ್ಧನ ತತ್ವ.
All right, Rahul Gautam getting us more details on that story, joining us from Delhi this afternoon. Just put this into perspective. Of course, the context is the pictures, essentially, Rahul, that the Prime Minister had put out yesterday, and that went viral. Okay, we'll connect with Rahul Gautam in a moment from now, but these were comments from Mallikarjun Kharge taking a jibe at the Prime Minister's visit to Dwarka and the Dwarka dip. He went against the rules of nature, says the Congress President. We must all behave according to rules of nature and not against it. Nobody will get success. This is Buddha's ideology, is what he said.